Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas and today I'm going to share my fashion clothing wish list for 2026. Also going to give a little updated apartment tour at the end of the video, so stick around for that. And before we get started, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, leave me a comment down below if you have any recommendations, because I definitely will need some for some of the things that I'm looking to pick up. And over the past couple of years, I think I've done a good job of being more intentional with my spending, not really shopping just for the sake of it, being able to admire things from afar without having to buy it or, own those certain things. And I think this year is going to be more of that, but there are definitely some pieces that I am looking to finally add to my closet this year. And the first piece is one that I've talked about numerous times, and that is like a long coat, I guess, trench coat kind of thing. I just haven't really found one that I have wanted to purchase, spend the money on. So like I said, I'm looking to buy one that I know will be timeless for me, one that I can wear for many, many years and hopefully keep in my closet forever, honestly. And what I have in mind is kind of like more raglan sleeves, probably below the knee length, a bit wider, a bit boxier. I have seen a few floating around on TikTok, Instagram, etc. But I think for something like this, I would definitely like to go to a store and try it on. I know you can always return it and stuff, but for me, I'd just rather go into a store, find something, return it. But if you guys have any recommendations, like I said, please leave them down below. Like I said, I like a raglan sleeve, kind of below the knee, middle of the shin length, brown, navy, black, preferably like a wool blend, not like a rain jacket kind of thing. So something like that, a long coat like that I've been looking for quite a while. Haven't really been able to find something. I'd also like to layer like a hoodie or another jacket underneath it. So hopefully that kind of gives an idea of the style that I'm looking for. I know they're kind of trendy this year, last year, but honestly, I think a coat like that is timeless and they're not really going to go anywhere. Another coat that I think would be timeless is a hunting like wax jacket. Now I know these are much easier to find, and I've been looking at the Barber spade jacket for quite a while. I know they're never really going to go out of stock. They make them every season. They're not going to really go out of style. I think I'll be able to wear that pretty much every day for many, many years to come. Also, Works makes some beautiful hunting jackets. The Barber Noah collabs are very, very nice. And of course, I know you can pick up the Barber jackets on secondhand markets for fairly reasonable prices. So a Barber hunting wax jacket of that ilk, probably, like I said, a Barber spade jacket, or maybe a Works jacket would be something that I would love to pick up. Haven't yet for whatever reason, but maybe this year. I've been saying that for a long time, but maybe this will be the year. Even though the winter is kind of coming to a close and it's also been a very warm winter for me here, I would love to pick up some more knits. And one brand that I've been looking at is Knitwear out of Antwerp, Belgium. They make their sweaters and knitwear in Scotland, and they have some beautiful pieces. The quality, I can't really speak to it. I don't own any pieces, but it looks really nice. They recently did an engineered garments collaboration that is beautiful. They have some nice polos, some nice fisherman knits, some nice cardigans, just everything you could really ask for in a knitwear. They got vibrant colors, they got more muted colors, and everything just looks really nice. It is a bit pricey, but made in Scotland. I think the quality is good. I've seen and heard nothing but good things about Howland. So in the future, maybe towards the fall this year, or honestly now, because I think they have some sales on, I would love to pick up another knit sweater for work, for everyday wear. I love a good knit sweater. And for bottoms, I don't really need many bottoms. I would like a black pair of jeans. I know, nothing crazy, but a nice black pair of jeans. I'm looking at Brain Dead, Selvage, denim, but I'm not 100% sure. And obviously I could go Levi's, I could go Lee denim. The denim is not that hard to find. Is pretty, honestly, I think quite simple. I just need to kind of sit down and dive into it a little bit more. Like I said, the Brain Dead black Selvage jeans have been the ones that I've been keeping an eye on, and maybe I'll pull the trigger on that. We'll see. But trousers, I would like some more wool trousers. I've been looking around kind of on Grailed, on Essence, on eBay, and I haven't found anything just yet. I did find an Orly pair on Grailed, but they sold, so it is what it is. It's fine. But wool trousers, if you guys have any nice wool trouser recommendations, please let me know. Also, black jeans. I know it's a very standard kind of basic thing, but if you have any good recommendations that you can attest to, please let me know down below and I'll definitely check them out. And shoes, I don't really need any more shoes. I don't really buy shoes, especially lately. One pair of sneakers I would love to pick up, I guess, are just the Dries Van Noten suede sneakers, I guess is what they're called. But I like them. I like a very narrow, slim, sleek profile shoe. And I think this would be a beautiful pair. I think I could wear them a ton, pair them nicely with my Margielas. So Dries Van Noten sneakers, if I were to buy a pair of sneakers, I'd probably honestly be those, unless maybe like a collab comes out that catches my eye or something. But as of right now, the Dries Van Noten sneakers are top of my list for shoes. And also loafers. I've been wanting to get another pair of loafers for quite a while. Haven't got around to doing it yet. Currently, I'm wearing my Doc Marten Adrian still, and I like them, but I would just like another pair. I'm looking, I think the most common recommendation that I've gotten are GH Bass Weegens. Never owned a pair of GH Bass, but I see them everywhere. A lot of people stand by them and seem to like them, so I think I would go maybe get a black pair of penny loafers, or like the maroon colorway penny loafers. My Docs are tassel loafers. I would definitely like a penny loafer, a little something different obviously to a tassel loafer. So again, if you have any loafer recommendations, please leave them down below. And honestly, that's kind of all for my wish list at the moment. I don't really have an extensive wish list, like I said. I'm happy with the pieces that I own right now. I'm still kind of trying to downsize certain things, and what I'm looking to buy are more timeless staple pieces that I know I'll be able to wear for many, many years to come. And yeah, so please, like I said, let me know down below if you have any recommendations for those pieces, or you want to recommend me anything else. I would love to hear and check it out. All right, I haven't done one of these in a while, a little apartment tour. Honestly, it's nothing crazy. It's pretty small, but it gets the job done for me. So in the kitchen, we got my little coffee set up. I got my Chemex pour over, and I also got a French press. And then I have one of these as well, mocha pot. I use my Chemex pour over the most, and these are the beans that I'm currently using. Never had them before, but they're locally roasted in Calgary, so I figured I'd give them a try. So far, so good. And then here we got my laundry room and closet. Not going to show you that. A couple of paintings that my girlfriend got for me, made for me actually. My bedroom is in there. My bathroom is in there. Again, I'm not going to show them, just they're there. And then over here in the living room, I'm currently watching the Counter-Strike Grand Finals. Just a nice little chill Sunday morning, getting ready for the Super Bowl, I guess. Looking forward to it. Hopefully it's a good game. And then I got this IKEA side table, we got a little chess set. This is from Sneeze magazine, a little IKEA lamp, and a Lego F1 car. And then over here we got record speakers, record player. I got a little boat buffet to hold up my record that's currently on display. Lego bonsai tree. Got this MF Doom bowl figurine. Little Snoopy, some books here, candle, my incense holder, another Lego F1 car, and all my records down here. Lord of the Rings box set as well. And then my one singular plant. I do need to get some more plants, but that's what I got for now. We got the Momo Toys figurine, Darby magazine, some more Lego cars, Pharrell book. This one is I or something. The eye. Underneath it, another IKEA lamp, a couple little mushrooms here, and then this Star Wars Lego is actually my brother's, but I took that. And then this is one of my dad's racing jerseys that I got framed. And then a little painting here that I do need to hang up still. And yeah, like the kitchen is behind me. This is my living area. Obviously couch, IKEA chair, TV. Pretty much all I really need for myself. Just living by myself obviously right now. So this is plenty enough space for me. It's really close to my work. It honestly gets the job done. Like I said, I do want to hang out my painting, get some more plants, probably get some more art at some point as well, and do some more stuff with the living room area, but I do like it at the moment. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you next time.